Massive fire broke in China. More than 1,000 firefighters and 7 helicopters have been deployed to battle a forest fire raging in China's southwestern province of Sichuan. The fire started around 5 p.m. on Friday near Baiji village in Yajiang country in Sichuan's Tibetan Autonomous Prefecture of Gage, according to the Ministry of Emergency Management. Strong winds on Saturday afternoon fanned the blaze, which quickly spread over multiple mountain ridges. It added, the ministry declared a level 4 emergency response, the lowest alert for fire control in forests and grasslands, and dispatched 1,260 firefighters from national and local fire rescue squads. According to state broadcaster CCTV, a total of 3,396 blazers of a dozen blazers were evacuated. It said the firefighters resumed their operations on Sunday morning after they were forced to leave the scene on Saturday night due to strong winds and poor visibility.